An elderly man in his 50s told me that he started chewing 2 fennel seeds, and after only a week, the changes in his body were remarkable and worth contemplating. I wrote this down in my diary. When the time came, I decided to research the subject. I spent hours researching and consulting, and in the end, I reached a truly amazing conclusion. So, dear viewer, I decided to share with you what you can gain from this seemingly simple habit. Let's begin. Benefit number 1: reducing bloating and gas. Let's start with something that many of us experience but rarely talk about: bloating and gas. It can be incredibly uncomfortable and sometimes downright embarrassing. Here's where fennel seeds come in, and why just chewing 2 to 3 seeds daily can make such a difference. Fennel seeds are packed with essential oils like anethole, fenchone, and estragol, which have antispasmodic and carminative properties. These components help relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, making it easier for trapped gas to move through your system. As a result, you'll feel less bloated and more at ease. When you chew fennel seeds after a meal, they work almost like a natural digestive aid. They help prevent the formation of gas in the first place by supporting smoother digestion and reducing the chances of food fermenting in your gut. This simple habit, especially after the age of 50, can be a gentle and natural way to keep your digestive system running smoothly, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. So, next time you feel that familiar discomfort, remember that a couple of fennel seeds could be all you need to ease the bloat. Benefit number 2: supporting heart health. Now let's dive into something that becomes increasingly important as we get older: heart health. As we age, maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being. And surprisingly, chewing just 2 to 3 fennel seeds daily can play a supportive role in this. Fennel seeds are rich in fiber, potassium, and various antioxidants, all of which are essential for cardiovascular health. Potassium, in particular, is known for helping to regulate blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium in the body. When blood pressure is well managed, the strain on your heart is reduced, lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. But that's not all. The fiber found in fennel seeds also helps to lower cholesterol levels by binding with bile salts and removing them from the body. This process forces the liver to use up more cholesterol to produce new bile, thereby reducing the overall cholesterol levels in your bloodstream. Additionally, the antioxidants present in fennel seeds help combat oxidative stress, which is a key contributor to heart disease. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to give your heart some extra care, ensuring it stays strong and healthy for years to come. Benefit number 3: regulating blood pressure. Let's talk about blood pressure, a topic that many of us over 50 pay close attention to. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common concern, but here's some good news. Chewing just 2 to 3 fennel seeds each day might help keep it in check. Fennel seeds are a natural source of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in managing blood pressure levels. Potassium works by balancing the amount of sodium in your body, which is crucial because too much sodium can lead to elevated blood pressure. When you consume fennel seeds, the potassium they provide helps your kidneys flush out excess sodium, easing the pressure on your blood vessels. This in turn allows your blood vessels to relax and dilate, promoting better blood flow and reducing the overall strain on your heart. Additionally, fennel seeds have a mild diuretic effect, which means they help your body eliminate excess fluids, further contributing to lower blood pressure. By making fennel seeds a part of your daily routine, you're taking a simple, natural step toward maintaining healthy blood pressure, which is essential for protecting your heart and overall health as you age. Benefit number 4, lowering cholesterol levels. Let's move on to another important aspect of health, especially as we age, managing cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a silent issue that can sneak up on us, leading to serious heart problems down the line. Here's where fennel seeds can lend a helping hand. Chewing 2 to 3 fennel seeds daily may contribute to lowering those cholesterol levels naturally. These tiny seeds are packed with dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in the body's cholesterol management. Here's how it works. The fiber in fennel seeds binds to bile salts in the digestive system. These bile salts are made from cholesterol, so when fiber helps remove them from the body, the liver is prompted to use more cholesterol to produce new bile salts. This process effectively reduces the overall amount of cholesterol in your bloodstream, particularly the bad LDL cholesterol that's associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Moreover, fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants, which help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. Oxidized LDL is more likely to build up on the walls of your arteries, leading to blockages. By incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're also taking a proactive step toward managing your cholesterol and protecting your heart health. It's a small, easy habit that can lead to significant long-term benefits. Benefit number 5, enhancing cognitive function. Let's explore how fennel seeds can support one of the most cherished aspects of our well-being, our cognitive function. As we age, particularly after 50, maintaining a sharp mind becomes a priority for many of us. The good news is that something as simple as chewing 2 to 3 fennel seeds daily could offer some cognitive benefits. Fennel seeds are rich in antioxidants and other bioactive compounds that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a significant factor in age-related cognitive decline. One of the key components of fennel seeds is anethol, an aromatic compound that has been shown to have neuroprotective properties. This means it can help safeguard your brain cells from damage, supporting memory and overall cognitive function. Additionally, fennel seeds contain nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which are essential for proper neural activity and brain health. Potassium, for example, helps regulate the flow of blood to the brain, ensuring that your neurons get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. For those of us over 50, adding fennel seeds to our daily routine can be a small but impactful way to support mental clarity, focus, and memory. It's a simple habit that not only benefits your digestion and heart, but also keeps your mind sharp and agile, helping you stay engaged and mentally active as you age. So, the next time you reach for fennel seeds, remember that you're not just savoring their flavor, you're also nurturing your brain. Benefit number 6, relieving respiratory issues. Let's talk about breathing, a fundamental aspect of our health that can sometimes be taken for granted. Respiratory issues, whether due to seasonal allergies, asthma, or common colds, can make daily life uncomfortable. Fennel seeds can be a natural remedy to ease these problems. Rich in compounds like anethol and cineol, fennel seeds help reduce inflammation in the airways, which can alleviate symptoms like coughing and wheezing. These compounds work to relax the bronchial muscles, making breathing easier. Additionally, fennel seeds have antimicrobial properties that can combat respiratory infections, by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses. This makes them an effective natural aid for maintaining clear and healthy airways. Incorporating fennel seeds into your daily routine can offer gentle support for your respiratory system, helping you breathe more comfortably and deeply. Whether you're facing a persistent cough or just want to support your overall lung health. And hey, if you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with your loved ones on WhatsApp. Benefit number 7, improving sleep quality. Let's focus on sleep, a vital part of our well-being that affects everything from our mood to our physical health. Quality sleep can sometimes be elusive, but fennel seeds offer a natural way to enhance it. These seeds are known for their calming effects, which stem from their rich magnesium content. Magnesium is essential for relaxing muscles and calming the nervous system, setting the stage for a restful night. Fennel seeds also support the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep-wake cycle. This helps you not only fall asleep more easily, but also enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep throughout the night. Additionally, fennel seeds can aid digestion, which can be especially beneficial if nighttime discomfort often disrupts your sleep. By incorporating fennel seeds into your evening routine, you create a soothing ritual that promotes better sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Potential side effects and who should avoid fennel seeds. While fennel seeds bring many health benefits, it's important to remember that they aren't suitable for everyone. Some people, especially those with specific health conditions, should approach fennel seeds with caution. For example, individuals who are allergic to plants in the carrot or celery family might experience allergic reactions when consuming fennel seeds. These reactions can range from mild symptoms like itching or a rash to more serious responses, so it's always wise to start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Another important consideration is the estrogenic properties of fennel seeds. They can mimic estrogen in the body, which may not be ideal for people with hormone-sensitive conditions, such as certain types of breast cancer, endometriosis, or uterine fibroids. In these cases, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before adding fennel seeds to your diet. For older adults or those taking medication for conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, or seizures, caution is advised. Fennel seeds can interact with these medications, potentially affecting their effectiveness or causing unexpected side effects. For instance, fennel seeds can lower blood sugar levels, which might interfere with diabetes medications. Additionally, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to speak with a healthcare professional before consuming fennel seeds, as their strong effects might not be appropriate during these stages. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family on WhatsApp. And don't forget to subscribe.